central level parliament, mock parliament finished, and state level assembly also finished. Now we are going to conduct the program international level, that is United Nations Organization. And as social studies teacher, students, you know that the importance of the UNO. And the motto is establishment of the peace among the world. It is the main aim of the UNO. And our students, our Mandal students are participating in how the UNO is going to, now it is working. It's a mock UNO. Please pay attention here. Two programs with the cooperation of the teachers and students successfully completed. This is the last program. Please cooperate with us. And thank you. Now the program going to start within few seconds. Please. Now I am welcoming to Honorable Chairperson.
Now the housing of roll call and attendance.
All the delegates are present, sir. Today, United Nations Organization discussions reflects gender equality, empowerment of women and girls, and quality education and climate change. Thank you.
Welcome to the Model United Nations. Today the agenda includes United Nations Sustainable Development Goals on specific topics like quality education, gender equality, climate action, peace, justice, and strong institutions and partnerships for the goals. Now I request member delegates of the respective countries to start with opening statements. Now the floor is yours.
By representing India, Honorable Chairperson, gender equality is a basic human right. Every child deserves to reach her or his full potential, but gender inequality in their lives and the lives of those who care for them hinder this reality. Across India, gender inequality results in unequal opportunities and both genders. Statistically, it is girls that are most disadvantaged. There are risk violations and vulnerabilities girls face just because they are girls. Most of these risks are directly linked to the economic, political, social and cultural disadvantages girls deal with in their daily lives. By increasing the value of girls, we can collectively contribute to the achievement of specific results.
Good afternoon, Honorable Speaker. Under Sustainable Development Goals 4 focus on quality education, ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education, and promoting lifelong learning opportunities for all. This means guaranteeing that all girls and boys can complete free primary and secondary schooling and increasing access to vocational training, higher education and other learning opportunities for adults. The goals also emphasize reduced gender disparities and ensuring access for vulnerable groups, inclusive and equitable education. The goal aims to reduce disparities in education based on gender, socio-economic status, disability, or other factors, ensuring everyone has a chance to learn. Equality education. This includes ensuring schools have proper facilities, are child and disability sensitive, and are staffed by well-prepared teachers. Thank you.
Greeting Honorable Chair and respected members, I am from Australia.
I rise today to emphasize a simple truth. Our nation's strength depends on the quality of its education. Education is not just about passing exams. It is about shaping mind, building character and preparing our youth for a changing world. As a member of UNO, I believe every child, whether in village, equality learning. This means better trained teachers, quality education, modern classrooms, digital tools and curriculum that develop skills, values and creativity. Quality education is a foundation of innovation, economic growth and social harmony. When we invest in education, we invest in our future organization. Quality education reduces poverty and opens doors to better career opportunities. So, let us work together to ensure that every child gets the education they deserve, an education that empowers them to dream, achieve and learn. Thank you.
Honorable Chair, respect delegate. Decision making remain in men's hands in all walks of life. Everywhere in the world as of 1 January 2025, women held only 27.2% of seats in national parliament and present in local government stage of at 3.5% in 2023 and 2024. After an average annual increase of 0.5% points on since 2022, a bright spot in the more balanced female representation among younger members in parliament. 57% under age 30 and 63% under age 40. As parliament becomes younger, they may become a better gender balance, but only few young members keep rising into leadership. Structural transformation and inspiration of women in decision-making system, with a focus on their voice, not adolescent girls and young women in also with such a measure protect of civic space and state ensure overseeing the implement point of gender equality in current dismal picture of gender equality decision making can be seen.
Honorable Chairperson and delegate members. Gender equality, the SDG 5 achieves gender equality and empower all women and girls. Focus on gender, SDG 5 aim to ensure ending all forms of discrimination against women and girls everywhere. It is vital to give women equal rights on land and property, sexual and reproductive health, and to technology and the internet, providing women and girls with equal access to education, healthcare, decent work and representation in political and economic discussion making process will achieve sustainable economies and will benefit societies and humanity at large. Ending all forms of discrimination against women and girls is not only a basic human right but also is for sustainable future of societies. Thank you.
Move on to the moderate lectures. If anybody have questions, can raise their hand. Yes, India. Honorable Chairperson, we have a question for India. Why do crimes against women still continue despite strict laws? Thank you.
Honorable Chairperson, the gender pay gap in India persists due to deep-rooted cultural biases like viewing women's earrings as secondary and structural issues, human being concentrated in low-paying informal jobs and limited access to high-paying sectors.
Yes.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. What steps government is taking to provide quality education in all schools? Respected Chair, to improve quality education in school, we are providing special training to teachers, libraries to every schools, computer labs, science labs, and we are trying to develop language clubs, science clubs, social clubs in all schools. Thank you.
Honorable Chair, respect delegate. My question, Delegate China. What reforms proposed by China for women equal rights to economical resources?
Honorable Chairperson and respected delegates, China proposed reform to give women equal rights to economic resource as well as access to ownership and control over land and other forms of property, financial service and natural resource in advance with national laws. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. How can quality education improve social and economic outcomes? I repeat the question, how can quality education improve social and economic outcomes? Quality education can improve social and economic outcomes by human capital which includes knowledge, skills and creative ability. It can also contribute to social integration by developing skills like independent thinking, cooperation and through effective teaching methods. Thank you.
I have a question for India. What steps are being taken to reduce child marriages in rural areas?
Child marriages, the government has launched several strict and effective measures to reduce child marriages in rural areas. We are creating awareness through schools, Anganwadi centers and village meetings to educate families about the harmful effects of child marriages.
Thank you, Honorable Established. What defines quality education? I repeat the question, what defines quality education? Quality education is defined by its effectiveness in providing a meaningful and impactful learning experience which goes beyond just modern technologies and resources. It involves a holistic approach to learning that includes curriculum designing, teaching methods and the overall environment.
Chairperson, I have a question for India. Why do crimes against women still continue despite strict law?
Crimes against women persist despite strict laws due to deep-rooted patriarchal norms, gender inequalities, harmful stereotypes and cultural justifications for violence alongside systematic failures like biases, policing, vitamin blaming and ineffective enforcement while economic hardship conflict.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. What are the key components of quality education? I repeat the question. What are the key components of quality education? Includes a progressive and dynamic curriculum, innovating teaching and assessment strategies, and the overall learning environment. It also includes a focus on holistic development, critical thinking, creativity and values as emphasized by policies like NEP 2020.
Honorable Chair, respect delegate, my question to delegate China. How you promote the empowerment to women?
Honorable Chairperson and delegate members, eliminate all forms of violence against all women and girls in the public and private space, including trafficking and sexual and other type of exploitation. Thank you. I have a question for India. Why does the gender pay gap still exist in many sectors of India?
I would say the gender pay gap in India persists due to deep-rooted cultural biases like viewing women earrings as secondary and structural issues, human beings concentrated in low-paying informal jobs and limited access to high-paying sectors.
Go to the moderate discussions.